How to fix Snapchat birthday. Hello everyone, in this video we talk about how to fix this on your Snapchat. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, then open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search for Snapchat. Open the Snapchat like this, and you have to go scroll down, go to storage. Here go to the last button, clear data, and click OK, and then you have to back and click on force stop and click on OK. And what you should do, go to this option here, battery, and click on optimize it, and that's it. Your problem will be solved. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.